Hello students, in this video we are going to know about English letters with words. Let's start. A for apple and arrow. B for ball, B balloons, butterfly. C for cat, carrot, caps, corn, car, cactus. D for doctor, date, tata. E for elephant, eggplant, envelope, egg. F for fish, flower, fish, frog. G for grapes, girl, giraffe, green. H for hat, house, hen, hands. I for ice cream, Iceland. J for jelly, cake, jelly beans. K for kite, nymph, keyboard. L for lion, leaf, lamb. M for mango, monkey, man, moon. N for net, nest, necklace. O for orange, owl, onion, octopus. P for pig, pillow, potato. Q for queen, quiet, quill. R for rose, rainbow, nature, rocket. S for sun, star, sandals. T for tiger, truck, train. U for umbrella, underground, under. V for fan, fate, vegetables. W for watermelon, plant, pail, window. X for X-ray, extra fish, X-non. Y for yak, yellow, yo-yo. Z for zero, zebra, sieve. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.